This is my vintage digital watch. It's the Citizen 41-2058. This model was introduced in 1979. And the bracelet, it looks awful, I have to say. It doesn't suit this watch. And this is not the original bracelet, as you may expect on a 45-year-old watch. So in order to wear this watch comfortably, I bought a new steel bracelet on AliExpress. I paid $4.20 for this bracelet, including shipping. It's a push-button, fold-over clasp bracelet with a lug width of 18 millimeters. Let's install this new bracelet and see how it fits the old Citizen 41-2058. Now the bracelet is installed. The bracelet has some play and it has sharp edges, but it does its job. And it's better than this old one. This vintage Citizen has the basic functions. It shows the time and the date. It has a stopwatch and dual time. Of course, it also has a light function. That's it.